The terrible nightclub fire in Goa in which 25 people died. Well, today the co-owners of the property who have escaped to Thailand, Saurabh Luthra and Gaurav Luthra, applied for anticipatory bail in the Delhi High Court, claiming that they were victims of a media witch hunt. One of the co-owners, Ajay Gupta, a partner in the company, was meanwhile picked up from Delhi. The question still remains, when will the government bring back the Luthra brothers, or will they remain fugitives in Thailand? Take a look.
25 lives lost, 4 days of crackdown, and now a hunt to get the two owners of the Burj by Romeo Lane who fled the country after the nightclub fire tragedy. After an Interpol Blue Corner notice was issued against brothers Gaurav and Saurabh Luthra, the two businessmen have moved a petition for anticipatory bail in Delhi's Rohini court. India Today has accessed the bail plea. In the petition, Luthras have alleged witch hunt in the case and claimed they had all the required documents to run the nightclub. The Luthras also argue that the brothers had gone to Thailand for work on December 6 itself and that they are unable to return as they are anticipating arrest in Delhi. The brothers allege that vindictive nature was being shown by authorities against them. The plea says that Luthras and their partner were not involved in the day-to-day operations, which were managed by the on-ground restaurant managers. But the heat on them is rising. Goa Chief Minister Pramod Sawant declared that the owners will be arrested soon. He assured strict action against those who flout rules across Goa. So far, 6 people have been arrested in the Arpora nightclub fire case, including Luthra's partner Ajay Gupta. 3 government officials have been suspended.
The Goa police have achieved the major breakthrough through the investigations to the breach of the Romeo Lane. The Blue Corner notice have been issued to the Interpol. गोवा पुलिस ने 6 लोगों को ऑलरेडी अरेस्ट कर चुके हैं और बाकी भी लोग जो हैं उनको डेफिनेटली 100% हम अरेस्ट करेंगे.
India Today confronted Ajay Gupta, who is the latest to be arrested. He claims to be only a sleeping partner with Luthras.
मैं स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हूँ, मुझे इसके बारे में कुछ नहीं पता.
अरे तो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर हो, लेकिन क्या तुमने एनओसी मांगी थी? तुमने पूछा था कि पैसा कहाँ लगा रहे हो? ये पकड़ा तब गया जब इसने कमर में दर्द बताकर लाजपत नगर के एक हॉस्पिटल में जाकर ये एडमिट हो गया. एडमिट होते ही पुलिस को जानकारी मिली. पुलिस की टीम हॉस्पिटल पहुंची और वहां पर जो भी जांच थी वो जांच हो जाने के बाद जब उसे डिस्चार्ज किया गया तो गोवा पुलिस लेकर के उसे सीधे सनलाइट कॉलोनी जो क्राइम ब्रांच का ऑफिस है वहां पर पहुंची. हमने लगातार उससे सवाल पूछे, उसने कोई जवाब नहीं दिया. जवाब दिया तो सिर्फ एक, जिससे वो पूरे मामले से पल्ला झाड़ता हुआ नजर आया कि मेरा कोई मतलब नहीं है, मैं तो स्लीपिंग पार्टनर था.
The court has allowed transit remand of Ajay Gupta. However, GST documents accessed by India Today show Ajay Gupta registered as one of the partners with Luthra brothers.
Yesterday, another club of Luthra brothers, Romeo Lane at Vagator, was demolished by the tourism department. It also had an order earlier also, but it is being told that the Luthra brothers, despite demolition being carried out by the tourism department, they had constructed it again and were functioning till Sunday afternoon. With camera person Siddesh and Ritesh Desai, this is Divesh Singh in Goa for India Today.